Hello everyone, my name is Sohaib Mahfooj and today in this video I want to share with you some of my thoughts how to develop reading habit. Many people already know the benefit of reading, but if you don't know, so you can see my last video benefit of reading, but still many people say that I don't like to read, and if you don't like to read, so you can share with them, and but I am making only this video for those people who like to read but they don't know how to develop a reading habit. So in this video I want to tell you how to develop a reading habit, because reading is a very crucial for all of people, and if you can read, so you can learn anything about everything and everything about anything, and today is a reader, tomorrow is a leader. My friends, reading is a very crucial, and today I am gonna tell you some tips how to develop a reading habit. The first tips: choose a small and easy book and novels. It's a big mistake when everyone want to read book and novel, so that time they pick up a very hard book and novel, and such as the Silmarillion by author J.R.R. Tolkien and the greatest novel of Mark Twain. So it's a very hard book and novel. And if you want to read a book, so start short story and choose a very easily language book, and I will show you some novels you can win. It's a very easy language, so you can read this novel, you can win. And if you want to improve your English, so you should always read book in English language. And the second tips: read up television, internet. If you really want to read more and more, so try cutting back onto or internet, mobile phone addiction, or PUBG consumption. This may be difficult for many people, but still every minute you reduct of internet, TV or mobile phone addiction, so you could use it for reading. And the third tips: always carry a book. Wherever you go, so that time take a book with you and you can read. And when you leave the home, so that time take a book with you and you can read. If you are going to office, so take a book with you and you get in the car, so that time you can read until you reach your office. If you are going to visit traveling, so that time take a book with you and you can read some pages, 3, 4, 5, 6 anything, so until you reach your destination. If you are going to university, college, school, so that time take a book with you and you can read only 3, 4 pages while on the way. And the fourth tip: set times. You should have a few set times during every day. My friends, make it a habit to read during everyday breakfast and lunch. If you don't have a time, but if you really want to read book, novel more and more, and you like to read, so I will suggest you one tips. You can divide your day into 4 parts. When you woke up in the morning, so after breakfast you can read only 10 minutes, and after lunch you can read only 10 minutes, and when you go out of the home to for walk, so you can read only 10 minutes, and after dinner you can read only 10 minutes. It's a very useful way, and after few years you will see there are a lot of benefit of this habit. Only 40 minutes, and have some good tea or coffee while you read, and get into a comfortable chair, but asking yourself, do you want to improve your vocabulary, and do you want to gain more knowledge about a particular area of interest you have, and do you want to simply develop for literature? Why do I wanna start reading? And the last tip: how to enjoy reading. My friends, to get a great result, you should appreciate or moreover enjoy reading. If you want to read a lower book, so you can read, but if you want to read a volume, so you can. If you want to read a novel, motivation book and motivation novel, so you can read. And all books and novels is a very good, but if you can read, because the best cinema in the world of your brain, and you know it when you read a great book and novel. My friends, if you are going to anywhere in life, you have to read a lot of books. And my friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is a very useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Sohaib Mahfooj, and like my video and share my video.